start this week's episode off, we're doing a little coyote hunting down here at the farm.
Am I closing it?
Nah, just leave it. Well, there's some new baby calves, and the coyotes have just gotten so thick down here. So the landlord has told me to take care of them if I can. We are coming down here to get everything set up. We got our tangle-free panel line that we're going to take down here into the field. So I've been casing these things for like 2 weeks now. Come down here every day to try and figure out where they're at, what their movements are, and their patterns. I think I got a hold of them. So we're going to start our weekend off with a coyote hunt because it's something new to me. But these little rascals, we don't want them killing these babies. So I'm trying to get rid of them all. Hi, big game hunter. Nice toboggy. So, Tays, ARs, some pistols. Let's go get set up. So, we got our little tangle-free blind set up. I guess it's supposed to be quiet. Coyotes out. I don't know how to hunt these things. They're a nuisance. That's all I know. But got our little. Got this set up. Yeah. The biggest thing is there's baby cows and there's chickens, and these things are like always just sitting on the outskirts of these cows, and we're just trying not to lose them. And I don't know why they've gotten so thick. They used to live across the road and not bother anything, but now they're all over here, and it's kind of crazy. Coming down here at night and shining a light down there, and there's freaking
5, 6, 8 pairs of eyes.
Yeah. I guess now we just wait. I should have got one of those lucky duck, like speaker predator calls. I got that one freaking mouth call at the house.
Oh yeah.
I do. Next time.
They're pretty dumb. You can walk right up to them pretty much, but
they seem pretty stupid. So now we wait. So the pack just started howling. This is exciting. I haven't been this excited since alligator hunting. But the pack, they're just howling back down at the bottom of the pasture. This is exciting. Little babies. Oh, here comes all the deer bees.
Mama just popped up.
Somebody must be goose hunting.
Look at those big old ears.
Look at mama. Look at the little wings. That's awesome. This is so cool. Yeah, she sees us. She's stomping her foot. I don't care nothing about deer hunting, but this one over here is freaking out.
Easy kill, but she's with babies. I would never do that.
Move, little ones. She's gonna come up here and check us out. So a little side to our weekend, we're going to
War Eagle Stadium.
That's cool.
Home of the War Eagles.
That's a cool mascot. We're going to my brother's stepson's Little League tournament, right? Is that, yeah. Yep. So we're gonna go watch some baseball in between our days of coyote hunting. I was supposed to get up and go goose hunting this morning, I didn't. So whoops. But I think we're gonna get back out in the field this afternoon to go try again on the coyotes. They stayed a field down from us, so I don't know. We'll figure out a plan for the night. But between this and the car show, that's what we doing. Man, that's awesome. Woo!
It's a massive high school.
Insert baseball music. Starting pitcher?
Yeah.
Cool. Pump?
Yeah.
Smoke them, strike everybody out?
Yep.
Good. That's what I like to hear. So to end off this video, I'm just gonna go cruise the lake to find a couple geese to shoot. I ain't putting much effort into this at all. Just gonna go find where they're hanging out and kind of float on them and wait for them to jump up so I can get a couple. I want to make some goose tacos and I want some goose meat, so I need to go kill me a couple geese. So I'm gonna go do that, and that way this video is somewhat of a success with the hunting side of the channel. So the baseball game was a blast, so that was fun. So congrats to the A's. Good job, boys. Worked hard out there and you played good. I don't know anything about baseball. I don't really like baseball, but you go to a youth baseball game like that, talk about intense and getting into it. I got into it. We go to the Cannonballers. It's I don't know what team they are. They're from Kannapolis, or the team's out of Kannapolis, North Carolina. They got a big stadium, and we go there like once in a blue moon to watch it. And I just go to eat food But I don't even watch the game. I don't pay attention to it. I don't really care for it. Now you get me at a 11-year-old travel ball game, shoo doggy. So heading out to go find some geese. Spot one, no geese. I came back here yesterday and there's a bunch sitting in here, but they ain't hanging out here right now. They might have already left because I was here earlier yesterday than I am today. This place I got super stuck at yesterday, but the boat got itself out, so it was all good. Spot number one, no geese. I'll have to go find another pair somewhere. Spot number two has a pile of mallards, and there's wood ducks back here. There's 2 wood ducks right there flying back into the woods. Oof. I should have shut up so y'all could have heard the squeak. Spot number 3 is a bust. Nobody's back here neither. Going back to the boat ramp, maybe hit one more spot? I don't know. We'll see. I got chili beans waiting at home for me, so you can see my dilemma here. Goose, chili beans, goose, chili beans. Got a boat ride to figure it out. So this last spot has them. There they are. I don't want to run it up there on them. Because 1, I don't want to be illegal, and 2, I don't want to spook them. So, just kind of hanging out. Alright, well, didn't press record, but got fresh goose meat for cheap. Or taco meat, I should say. Fresh taco meat for cheap. So, that's all I cared about. Just wanted 1 or 2. No big deal. I don't want to have to clean a pile of geese tonight. I just wanted enough to make goose tacos. So I'm craving goose tacos. Back to the house we go. Episode complete. If you just leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Tell the A's congrats. So we will see y'all next video. What don't you want to hold it for? They're fuzzy.
Take that bitch.
Yeah.
Oh! Howdy, Quailer.
Got him one.
Oh!
Alright, when you cook it, let me try it.